In this video we are going to talk about 5 animals that are smarter than humans. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. In any case, determining animal intelligence is difficult due to the difficulty in quantifying its level of sophistication, size of the brain and vocabulary, as well as tool use and social learn. When it comes to our brains and our supposed dominance over the other creatures of the earth, we humans take a lot of pride in ourselves. However, the animal kingdom is teeming with intelligent creatures who, if given the opportunity, would easily outperform even the most brilliant of humans in terms of intelligence and skills. As an illustration, consider the following. Do you believe that human inventions such as dancing, cheating, and even sleight of hand are unique to Homo sapiens? Reconsider your position. Prepare to be amazed by some of the most intelligent animals on the planet. Are all common measures of animal intelligence, though it is difficult to compare between species because most intelligence tests or tasks are designed for a specific animal. We also have a tendency to underestimate the intelligence of animals by relying too heavily on intelligence tests that are based on what humans are capable of. For the time being, the majority of people believe that speech is the most distinguishing characteristic between humans and other animals. Number 5. Chimpanzees are better than humans in some memory tasks. Unsurprisingly, our closest living relative is not a complete moron. Primatologist Frostawala of Emory University has named a young chimpanzee named Ayumu as the #1 animal on his list of the 10 Animal Nobel Prize for overall smartness. Ayumu outperformed humans in a memory task, earning him the title of Ayumu as the #1 animal on his list of the 10 Animal Nobel Prize for overall smartness. Ayumu was able to remember the correct order of a series of numbers when they appeared at random on a touchscreen monitor for only 210 milliseconds, outperforming human children who were performing the same task. Additionally, chimpanzees are well known for their tool-making abilities. DeWaal points out that chimps have been observed fashioning spears out of sticks, and for learning to communicate with one another through the use of sign language. Unsurprisingly, chimpanzees are among the most intelligent animals on the planet, ranking second only to humans in terms of intelligence. Chimpanzee intelligence is largely determined by their genes, in the same way that human intelligence is largely determined by their mother's intelligence. In the words of National Geographic, they can learn words, play with objects, and even appear to be mourning the deaths of their friends. According to primatologist William Hopkins of the Yerkes National Primate Research Center in Atlanta, Georgia, and colleagues, genes account for about half of the variability in chimp intelligence, with environmental factors accounting for the other half. Number 4. Dolphins cheat. Dolphins are frequently referred to as the smartest animals on the planet because of their relatively large brain-to-body size ratio, their ability to express emotion, and their impressive mimicry of the dumb apes who conduct research on their intelligence. The Institute for Marine Mammal Studies in Mississippi has discovered that dolphins may also be the second sneakiest animals on the planet, according to their findings. After being taught to pick up litter in their tanks and exchange it with trainers for fish, one dolphin named Kelly discovered a way to take advantage of the system and cheat it. Kelly was able to maximize her fishy reward by concealing scraps of litter under a rock in her tank and tearing single sheets of discarded paper into multiple pieces, which she then turned in one at a time to maximize her fishy reward. Kelly's deception, it appears, was not an accident. According to the researchers, she planned and executed the entire scheme on purpose. Number 3. Dogs are as smart as toddlers. There's a reason why dogs are referred to as man's best friend. Not only are they adorable, but they're also incredibly intelligent. Dogs have emotions, they can learn tricks, they recognize their owners, and they can sense the emotions of others, and that is just a small sampling of the many clever things they can do. In fact, according to Live Science, they have the intelligence of a 2-year-old child. According to the Live Science article, the discovery is based on a language development test that revealed average dogs can learn 165 words, equivalent to a 2-year-old child, including signals and gestures, and dogs in the top 20% of intelligence can learn 250 words. According to Stanley Coren, a canine expert and professor emeritus at the University of British Columbia, while dogs were found to be on par with 2-year-olds in language, they outperformed a 3- or 4-year-old in basic arithmetic. Even when it comes to social skills, our drooling furballs perform admirably. Dogs can also detect a variety of scents that humans cannot, so that has to be taken into consideration as well. Number 2. Pigs. It's true that pigs are extremely intelligent, and they're not just something you insist on putting in your sandwich. Pigs have the cognitive ability to be quite sophisticated, according to Professor Donald Broom of Cambridge University Veterinary School. even more so than dogs, and certainly more so than 3-year-olds' inclinations. Again, it is impossible to compare intelligence levels between animals due to the large number of conflicting factors that must be taken into consideration. However, research has demonstrated that pigs are extremely intelligent animals, even when compared to other intelligent animals such as chimpanzees and dogs. According to a 2013 study, untrained pigs can learn from their trained peers how to anticipate upcoming events, such as receiving a reward or receiving a punishment, depending on the type of music being played in the background. Furthermore, pigs are serious brain boxes with high levels of emotional intelligence when it comes to social situations. When they are in a group, they can easily understand the behavior of their fellow pigs and will most likely imitate their reactions, such as wagging their tails, positive, or keeping their ears back, negative, to show their understanding. Number 1. Parrots. We are all aware of how clever parrots can be with their super cool mimicking abilities, but is that all they are capable of? In a nutshell, no. Over the years, countless experiments have been conducted on various species of parrots in order to determine what they are capable of and how intelligent they truly are. After being subjected to a 30-year study, researchers discovered that Alex, the African gray parrot, possessed the cognitive abilities of a 5-year-old. Among his abilities were the ability to identify over 50 different objects, 5 different shapes, distinguishing between different colors, and identifying quantities of up to 6. Not only that, but Alex also possessed a vocabulary of more than 100 different words. Perhaps the most intriguing aspect of Alex's performance was his ability to actually ask a question. When he was looking in the mirror at himself, he asked, "What color?" And after being told the word gray 6 times, he finally understood what he was seeing. This is particularly significant because Alex was the first non-human animal to ever ask a question, which is truly incredible. While some animals, such as chimpanzees and dolphins, are capable of answering questions, none have ever asked one themselves. It would appear that parrots have the ability to be fully aware of their own existence, which would be a groundbreaking discovery. There you have it, 5 of the world's most intelligent animals, each with their own set of advantages and disadvantages to consider. While we humans tend to believe that we are the most intelligent life form on our planet, it is clear that many animals are far more intelligent than we believe they are. It is always difficult to compare intelligence, especially when the animals in question are so dissimilar. They live in a variety of habitats, climates, and ecosystems, and their intelligence is difficult to compare. Our only option is to acknowledge and respect the wonders of these incredible creatures for what they are, rather than underestimating their intelligence or the contributions they can make to our planet. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.